Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up to let me know. It's time for your Music Minute. Today we are talking about meter. Now in order to understand meter, you need to know about beats. The beat is the steady pulse that you feel in the music. But there are strong beats and weak beats, and when they go together, that's how they make different meters. There are two basic meters: duple meter, which has 2 beats in it, and triple meter that has 3 beats in it. So if you have duple meter, you have 2 beats in a group. The first beat will be strong and the second beat will be weak. You will know that you have a duple meter song when you listen to it if it makes you want to march. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now triple meter is a little bit trickier, but not bad. It makes you want to dance. Triple meter has 3 beats in it, 1 strong and 2 weak. So when you hear the groups, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And did you see how I started moving? Triple meter makes you want to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Even if it's slower, it might go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But it makes you want to dance like that. So that is how you tell the difference between the 2 meters, duple meter and triple meter. I hope this helps you out. If you're interested in learning more about music, or if you want to learn how to play the recorder, please subscribe below now. Thank you for watching. Check out my recorder videos and my music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.